Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We have another Mulberry Mitzy to show you today. This is a Mulberry Mitzy Messenger. So it's got that Mitzy hobo shaped bag, and then we also have a nice long leather strap as well. So this strap is adjustable. We've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. So you've got a few options to make it a little bit longer. And then the main bag has a press stud fasten, and inside we've got one zipped pocket just here. So you can see that zip still works nice and smoothly, and then we have got Mulberry badge with the Mulberry tag and serial code on the back, and then on the other side we've got one flat pocket inside there. The condition of it, we've called the exterior and the interior fair, and there's just a little bit of mark into the leather, so you can see a few little marks all over. So we've got a little bit of a mark there, and you can just see that there is a little bit of marking on that leather across the back, but the corners are actually still in a nice condition, and you can see that leather has still got a really nice kind of gloss to it as well, and so it is still in nice condition on that exterior. And then the interior, again, we called fair. You can see there's just a bit of marking to that fabric lining. You can tell that it has been used and been well loved, but again, Mulberry just looks nicer and nicer. The leather just suits being worn, but that is why we've called the exterior and the interior fair. The hardware we've called worn. There's just quite a bit of scratching to that Mulberry tree plaque, and you can see a little bit of silver coming through on those studs, but on these studs you can see that gold is still quite bright, which is nice, but we've called it worn mostly because of the scratching on that plaque, but it just kind of goes blends quite nicely with that pre-loved look of the rest of the bag. If you would like to know the exact measurements, or you'd like a few more details on this bag, you'll be able to find them on our website. The quickest way to get to this bag on our website is to click the link in the description below. That link should usually take you straight to this bag on armcandybagco.com, but if it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean it has sold. But if you've been looking out for one of these, have a browse through the rest of the Mulberry Mitzys that we have. We have quite a few at the minute, but if it is this one in particular that you're looking out for, let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. I'm size UK 10 and 5'4", and this leather strap is just really nice and comfortable to wear. It's nice that it has been well loved actually, because it just means that it sits really nicely, it's really comfortable on your shoulder, and this leather is just really nice and slouchy and relaxing, so you can see that it just sits and molds really nicely to your body like that, and it's a nice easy bag to use for every day. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website to keep yourself updated on all the gorgeous bags that we're getting in, but we will also send you through your welcome discount code when you sign up to our newsletter, so don't forget to do that. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have more gorgeous bags to show you every day, so hit that alert button, and then you won't miss out on any of them, and we'll be back very soon.